The lungs of our Earth is breathing life into all of us. Producing over 20% of the planet's oxygen, it shelters more than 10% of all known species. From the mighty anacondas and Amazonian jaguars to rare pink dolphins and a million insect species, many still undiscovered. A powerhouse of sustainability, absorbing and storing over 200 billion metric tons of carbon. But our lungs are burning. 152% increase in wildfires since 2021. Human mistakes accelerating destruction. 17% of the forest degraded, pushing towards the tipping point of 24%. 57% of indigenous communities affected as water levels drop and biodiversity suffers. We cannot let this be the Amazon's fate. Our Mission Million will be the start of its revival. We at Tahoe Green, Eco Guardians, and Save Amazon with Greenbook are uniting with over 100 communities, universities, and local governments to plant 1 million trees in the Amazon using science-backed, traditional, and sustainable solutions. Mission Million is not about planting trees. It's about protecting, healing, and securing the future. The time is now. Join the transformation. Together, we restore forests, empower people, and rebuild balance. Let us heal the lungs of our planet, one tree at a time.